Welcome back, guys. My name is Amol and today Kolan is on the camera. Welcome to the second episode of the video series where we talk about the products that we love and use on a daily basis. And today we have with us Fitbit Versa. The fitness tracking is becoming more and more trendy these days, and there are lots of options in the market that you can consider to suit your lifestyle. If you're looking for a fitness tracker that has a smartwatch interface and can go quite well with your lifestyle, you might as well consider Fitbit Versa. So if you think about it, fitness tracker is one accessory that you wear 24 hours a day. It helps you track your heart rate and stress levels during the day, and in the night it helps you track your sleep quality. So one important aspect is that it should be comfortable enough so that you can wear it in the bed. The watch has rounded corners and has smooth edges, making it comfortable enough to wear during the sleep. So let's talk about the form factor. It is a premium looking fitness tracker and it goes along with casual as well as formal attires. It is also one of the thinnest fitness trackers, and the reason it was among my top picks. It packs a fairly accurate heart rate sensor and great battery life. The battery lasts for 4 days once fully charged, and the usage for you may vary depending upon how often you use the GPS functionality. I usually put the watch on charge while I go for a shower, and I found that this puts enough juice for it to last longer than a day. Fitbit Versa is water resistant up to 50 meters, and Fitbit claims that it is a swimmer friendly tracker, but I haven't tested it myself. If you are a data enthusiast like we are, you can download the data from the Fitbit website and make your own analysis. Fitbit app provides a neat overview of your heart rate throughout the day. It also highlights the body fat burn time and the quality of your sleep. So Fitbit has provided a payment option with Fitbit Versa, much like Apple Pay or Android Pay. So if your bank supports Fitbit Wallet, you can simply link your credit or debit card with Fitbit Versa and pay as you go. So before I forget, I should mention that Fitbit supports both Android as well as iOS devices. Although the app supports various platforms, it needs more improvement for better user experience. One limiting factor is that Fitbit has provided with very limited choices of apps as well as watch faces. I've been using this tracker for more than 3 months now, and I've hardly seen any new additions. But if you are not much into customizations and looking for a new theme every week, then you won't find a problem here. So although Versa supports GPS, it always needs a phone with it. The problem is that if you are doing exercises like running or biking, carrying a phone with you may not be always convenient. So the tracker doesn't have OLED panel, so it doesn't support always on display. But the wake up gestures have never failed me so far. Now the question is, should you get it? Now Fitbit Versa I think is a very good fitness tracker with wonderful tracking abilities. So it's easy to accessorize with your outfit. At the same time it has 4 days long battery life, which I think is really good. So if you are willing to look past few imperfections, then I think under $200 is a very good fitness tracker and we totally recommend it. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful and more relatable to your daily experiences. If you liked the video, please do hit that thumbs up button and do share and subscribe. And we hope to see you soon in our next episode.